Continuing with the detailing part, let's see how to insert the standard template we created in our last video. I'll use a low plant sketch as an example, as we're going to follow the groups inside the 2D environment. Groups are layers in a drawing where we can create a separate set by component item, such as, in this low plant, we can see the walls, door, and windows separately. To create a new group, it's very simple. You click on your right button and select Create a New Group. Or you can take a shortcut by tapping Ctrl plus Shift plus G, like this. I'll create a new group and I'll use it to add dimensions. Please note that I can use the inactive geometries as a reference, either to create dimension or to create new geometry, even if you can't edit them. I'm renaming the group. For doing so, you click with the right button on the title and select Rename Active Group. In this case, I'll call it Dimensions. We can also take away the visibility of groups so that it's easier to visualize details. If you need to delete an existing group, click on it and select the Delete option. However, it will only be deleted if it's inactive. That being said, we're going to select the Sheet Templates tab, and we'll choose the Standard Template. Now we'll select the aimed drawing area. We're adjusting the scale to be adequate and fulfilling the form that will emerge with related questions on the fields. Did you notice that when I added the template, a new group was created? Now I can alter any information related to this active layer, like a subtitle, for example. If you'd like to alter the chosen colors, you can click on this little gear and select the Colors option. However, that is completely for personal taste. On this tab, we're going to see where we can define the printing colors so they can be more visible. As you can see, before changing colors, the printing is very clear, and it's a bit difficult to visualize the drawing borders. Now we'll alter the border color to black and see what it became. Do you see it? Now we can see the difference between the drawings very clearly. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.